What's up, everyone? This is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a talking video of the Stihl GTA 26 mini chainsaw. I thought this thing was going to get used yesterday, but it didn't. So I hope at some point this thing will get used at some point this year for 2025. Which I promise you this thing will get used at some point because I do like this chainsaw. Exactly, it's a pretty nice looking machine in my opinion, but I do kind of like this thing a lot because you see this is a 2022 model, so you see how much expected this thing exactly, which it's definitely looks quite nice. You see, I mean, she's a little dirty, I know, because that's because it's been used almost like quite a bit. Because I've seen this thing has been used almost like every single time this machine's been used almost quite a bit. Because you see how I expected this machine exactly. So it will get used again some point this year for 2025 exactly because we have a tree that is knocked down a little bit, you see. So I hope I could get this thing used to cut some loose from trees. So what's out of like this is a pretty nice looking chainsaw in my opinion. So I do hope some point this thing will get used at some point this year because I really wanted to get this thing used at some point this year for 2025 exactly, which it will get used at some point this year because you see how much expected this thing exactly, which is definitely not as bad what you think it is exactly because I do like this thing, and you can see how much expected this thing. It's definitely how much I've expected this machine has been used almost like quite a bit long because it's just chainsaw here will get used at some point this year. I mean, it will definitely get used this year, but this is a pretty nice looking GT26. This is a very nice looking machine.